Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Mortlach, Saskatchewan, a charming town located along the Trans-Canada Highway. Established in 1889, Mortlach has been a part of Saskatchewan's story for over a century. The town was named after the Battle of Mortlach, which took place in Scotland in 1066, reflecting the deep Scottish heritage of many early settlers. The town's history is celebrated through local events and the preservation of historical sites, offering a glimpse into the past for both residents and visitors. Mortlach's economy has traditionally been based on agriculture, with many farms and ranches surrounding the area. Whether you're passing through or planning to stay a while, Mortlach offers a peaceful and welcoming environment that captures the essence of small town living. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Mortlach, Saskatchewan.